Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market. As usual, we will talk about the euro currency. Start from the daily time frame. Well, during the some recent trading sessions, particularly during the current week, we see that market has turned indecision almost 4 days in a row, since market just flirting with the weekly pivot point, showing us that about its indecision. But yesterday, on the European Central Bank announcement and about the potential statement of Angela Merkel and Sarkozy, well, that is not very supportive for the euro currency. In general, if we just will say a couple of words about the fundamental problems, the fundamental some might be solutions for the euro union. I suppose that there are two major issues should be approved to hold the euro union as it stands now for the euro survival. This should be the permission of Euro Central Bank to buy back the problem bonds, some kind of the quantitative easing that was applied by the Federal Reserve. Well, this is almost there, just uncovered money printing, but this will allow European Central Bank to accumulate the problem bonds and give these problem countries some time to solve their problem. The second issue, it's a bit long term, but it also necessary that some fiscal euro authority should have the permissions to intrude in budget creating and spending of problem countries. So not only Greece government should control the spendings of the budget, but some euro authority, maybe it could consist of some solid countries of the euro union, such as Germany, France, Netherlands, and other stable countries, and from the debt point of view, who could influence on and control the budget spendings of these problem countries. So this is some kind of losing of fiscal independence by the problem countries. That is in general my opinion about what should be done for the hold the euro union and hold the euro as it stands now. If these issues will not be approved, at least if European Central Bank will not get the possibility to buy back the problem bonds, then the problems of the euro union will be even greater than currently, and this will be not very good for the stability of euro currency. Well, from the technical perspective, in the short term, we see the continuation of this bearish pattern that we said probably could stop, but this has not happened. This is the bearish dynamic pressure. So you can see that market stands above this red line, that is Jordan-Napoli oscillator, MACD predictor indicator. It shows the trend. So when the price stands above this red line, the trend is bullish by MACD. But take a look at the price action. Market doesn't support the bullish trend. It continue move to the downside. That is the first bearish sign. The second bearish sign is, you can see market has closed below the weekly pivot point at the end of the week. So market now stands below the weekly pivot point, below the monthly pivot point. So that is also shows us the bearish sentiment on the market. Also take a look that there were no retracement to the upside. It's not a BCD move, not a retracement even to the weekly pivot resistance one. It's just touching of the weekly pivot point and continuation move to the downside. So that issue makes me think that the bearish power increasing currently on the market after this shallow pullback, this retracement. Besides, if you remember, this retracement was precisely to the weekly pivot resistance one. That is absolutely common for the bearish trend. When the market stands in some solid bearish trend, usually retracement holds by weekly pivot resistance 1. So that has happened, and after that market continue move to the downside. With any new candle to the downside, the probability of this greater retracement, such as A, B, C bottom, 100% is around 136 area of confidence resistance on the daily time frame, becomes shallower and more blur, because this really not the price behavior that could tell us about the deeper retracement to the upside. Now let's take a look at what could happen to the downside. First of all, if market still will show some pullback to the upside, this could turn to potential better flyby pattern. 127 target stands 131.21, 1618, 130 area roughly. So this target stands below that low, and if market will reach it, then stops will be triggered that placed just below this area. This could lead to the continuation move to the downside. So since this environment is bearish, if market will reach 127, daily trend also turns bearish, will turn bearish. So high time frames, weekly and monthly trends also are bearish, so probably we could expect even move to the 1618. And I just want to remember you that our medium term target on the euro currency is around 128, 128.50 area. So currently this price action in general suggests and currently confirms our this medium term expectations. Now let's take a look what we could keep an eye on during the trading session. This is the 4-hour time frame. That is triangle that we have discussed yesterday. That's also line support. And we said that probably market could show some retracement to the at least to the 134.70 area, but this hasn't happened. The market has hit just 134.60 roughly, and then just collapsed to the downside. Also take a look how price action develops. Market has hit 618 target, has shown this retracement, then continue move to the 100%, 133 area, now it turns to the retracement and shows retesting of the trend line from the another side. Now it acts like resistance area. So the next target of this ABC top pattern stands right here, 131.83, 1618 extension. Well, speaking about the Fibonacci support levels, you can see that this 786 support 132.84, just below it will stand 88.6. 88 fib support 132.51 is right here. So currently we could expect probably ABC retracement to the upside, but in general this price action is still bearish. Also you can see that 4-hour time frame holds bearish. Well, if you have the bullish view on the current market, well, you should wait for the returning back inside the triangle pattern that we have discussed yesterday. If market will show this returning back and take out that high, so it will return again inside the body of this triangle, that we could try to treat this breakout as the fake out, and probably we could expect some deeper move to the upside. But currently there are no signs of that. So if even market will show ABCD retracement, as you will see on the hourly time frame, this retracement will stop precisely at this support line. So to return to the bullish short-term bullish view, we need to further move to the inside of this triangle and taking out this resistance areas. So on the hourly time frame, we could see this bit more details. So first of all, right around this trend line stands the hourly confidence resistance. Current hourly trend is bullish now. This is 133.88, 133.95. The 100% extension target from that ABC bottom pattern stands also right here. So this could be some kind of Gartley 222 sell pattern, initial swing, ABCD retracements right here. So you have the short-term bearish view, that is your area to watch for the potential sell signals with the placing stop somewhere above that high. So if market will proceed high and take out this high, returns back in the, as I said, in the triangle body, then probably we could expect some continuation to the upside. Well, if not, if market just retest again this resistance line, continue move to the downside, then this will be just continuation of our bearish view on the daily time frame. So that's just crucial area for the bulls, as for the bears to watch for is the potential breakout level of between the bullish and bearish sentiment, short-term sentiment. So bears watch for that area to sell signals, since this could be just Gartley 222 pattern for the sell opportunity. If market will proceed high, take out that highs, then this will be the signal for the bulls that probably market has shown that this breakout is the fake out, and probably market could continue move to the upside. But still on the taking a look at the current environment on the market, it's probably I suppose that bears is a bit more stronger than the bulls, especially based on the behavior on the daily time frame.